There we go. This is what we have to deal with on a daily basis if the weather outside is crap. It hasn't stopped raining for friggin' days, and now the clouds have just really started building again, and as soon as that happens, it goes dark in here and everything is lost. All the TV channels, BBC, all the way up to 700 and whatever million channels they've got. And I'm stuck because I've read all the news. I'm downloading a video and I don't want to interrupt it, so it's okay. I can't go and fly me helicopters, especially that one, my new one, and I can't fly it because the batteries have gone and they're being charged. There's 4, the other 2 are charging there. Oh well, free ad for YouTube. Basic modelling, seriously dude, you rock. Make another model or the cat gets it. And where's me food? Okay, so this is it. This is the Kyanite 3-channel helicopter, and it's about 30 quid. It's fully made of metal. It has LEDs, very flexible blades. You also get spare blades. The LEDs are really cool.
And 2 power modes.
2 power modes. You have a high. Yep, you have a high power mode. Show the front end, babe. There's a button. See that button there? Yeah, you press that button, and it sort of takes it up into a higher mode, and it really does move. If you've got a bigger place, obviously we can't do that in here because we just.
But we're gonna try.
Well, okay, we'll try.
Okay.
Here we go. Here's my girl flying it, and this is straight out the box. No messing with this. It's straight out the box, and I'm very surprised at how good a quality of a build it is. It's over to you now, babe. At last. This is hit and miss. Whoa. Oh. It is very. What would you say about the control response and all that? I've lost it. It's a really steady sort of little cool helicopter that works incredibly well. Very responsive. And when put on the other mode, there's a button. Whoa. Our flat's not that big, and we've only just got this, so we're both learners. But what a helicopter! It's fantastic. It really is. How would you rate that? 10 out of 10? 9 out of 10? 8? Huh? 9. We give this a 9. We'll have another go. Taoist flyer, you know who you are. Whoa, where's it gone? Is it still going? Yep. Taoist flyer. You should review some of these things, you know. You're flying right around the light, and it's making the. And the battery life is, what is it? The battery life's fantastic. Whoa, nice. I've lost it. I think you found it. And again. Here we go. Oh, the batteries are going. I can hear that. Oh no. Have you pressed the super duper button yet?
It was already on super duper.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
That's probably why. We'll take the button off because it's.
I have taken it off.
Well, there you go. That's probably why it's flying a little nicer. Where are you going? I've lost you. Oh, there you are. Are you finding that easy?
Yeah.
Is it very, very controllable?
Yeah.
Would you recommend this helicopter?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, definitely. I would. I reckon this would be good outside as well. You've really got that down, haven't you? Whoa! Where's it gone? Ow! It's ow! 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 It's on my knee. It's just attacked me.
That was good.
It was excellent.
For a girl.
Go on, I'm not going to cut it. I'm going to keep playing. For a girl. I can't believe you just said that. Right in the middle of the light. No vision on that one whatsoever. Whoa, 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 whoa. Where's it gone? Is the power going?
I'm not sure. No?
It doesn't sound as if it's got... Oh, maybe I'm wrong. Oh. These things are hard to follow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Should we leave it at that? Or do you want to do another one? Okay, let's do it again. Here we go. Oh. Can you point it at someone?
How is it?
And this is the same flight. This is continuous flight, battery life. Oh, right on the...
Bullseye.
Bullseye.
Yeah,
Bullseye.
yeah,
You got me. You got me.
Never mind. There you go.
Well done.
Excellent.
What's your opinion?
It's very good. It's the best one I've flown so far.
And would you recommend other people to buy it?
Yeah, it just looks cool.
It's cool and it's a good one.
Yeah.
And okay, just buy one. Bye bye.